Stop, man. Just let me out. Let me out. Stop. Stop, bro. Shoot. Stop.
Quiet Saturday morning in Northeast Washington, D.C. Officers responded to a report of a suspicious vehicle parked on Baker Street. When they discovered the driver asleep inside a suspected stolen car with a punched ignition, a routine investigation suddenly spiraled into a dangerous confrontation, captured entirely on police body cam.
And then my camera's gonna get up in there. Yeah, it's him.
Remember, for us, don't grab my text. Grab that jacket. You know how that goes. Got 4 kids that
Please, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Stop! Stop! Stop, man, just let me out. Let me out! Stop! Stop, bro! Shoot! Stop! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Don't move! Don't move! 512! Don't fucking move! Send me a mess.
Alright. I need location. I'm advising you. Alright, buddy. Yeah, I'm good. Fire shot. Fire. Let's go. Okay. just trying to turn the vehicle off. Which spot? Shut up. I'll live on the right. I'll let him show you around. It's in park. It looks set. I got it in park. I can't shut it off. It's petrol on the gas. Yeah, I got it.
Where you get at it? Went on for block the street. Copy out. Everybody out.
Everybody out of your house? Yes. Okay. I'm making sure my sons and them was coming over. I'm just making sure they. Hey, son. GSW. Hey, everybody. Get out. Get out. GSW to the stomach. Hey, cars off.
I hit my head.
I got a head injury as well. Hand injury.
512. The driver.
512. Send the board for myself and.
He's breathing.
Yeah, I know he is.
You got something I can blood pressure. I just need a kit. Hey, there's a TCC kit. Yeah, give me a kit.
Was there any injuries to the officer was affected?
512. Myself and. Had some injuries.
One or two.
Alright, let's try to extract it. You see come back. Hey, try to get let's
511, 511 go. 511, hold you out, 695, you out. 511, 5 minutes go, 5 minutes.
yeah, I can
Contact him.
tell him he's out. Hey, we're gonna move, alright? Hey. If you move our legs, I don't know what it's gonna do. Well, we can move legs, and then you wanna go back towards you, or you wanna come towards me. You're gonna have to go either way.
Make sure CID.
Is he trapped over there?
CID around.
Way over there too.
6550. Any CID unit on the air?
You gonna come towards me and help me with the feet? We're gonna take I'm gonna grab his feet too. Can you grab his upper shoulders here? Yeah.
Any CID unit?
All the way through. Yeah.
90, I'll make a notification for him.
I got his.
Thank you, call 9932. Got it?
You got the kit? Yeah. TCC kit? Yeah. I need major gauze for the back. And I'll need shit for the stomach too. The injury? We got 1, 2 rounds. 2. 3. I need a patch the back. What do you got for me? You alright? I need your car. You okay? I need back. Do you see any exit wounds?
Yeah.
Just anything I can slap on him.
Copy, 90.
That'll work. Got any tape? Yes. I got, what, 2 in the back? 3? You're tape in there? Yes, yeah, we're taking the tape out of it. Yeah, I can use this too. That'll work. This is a I need this on his chest.
MPD will assist us with a landing zone.
You got Eagle coming? Yeah. Okay. Hey, they got Eagle coming for a landing zone. Anything else? Is that all you got? Hey, in the back of the Interceptor, there should be a small bag on the floorboard. Look this. That'll work.
Vehicular traffic is going to be blocked on the 36.
Yeah, this can wrap. Hey, I'm coming towards you. Got it. Yep.
Yeah, 11052. I have the time for it. That's why I can't see it.
It's down to 939.
We'll keep them up. Yep. What do we got? You got another abdomen wound?
Can you tuck this?
Nah, smaller, other side.
Hey, sorry. Can you tuck this under there?
Yeah. You guys got an AD? Anybody? Hey, got an AED?
Anyone have an AD response?
Are you good?
Anyone
Hey,
with
can you hear
an
me?
AD to respond to? You know, with the AD?
I'm gonna put him down.
Copy on 1241.
He must give you a riveter part.
Looks like it's
land is on.
Mark out CPR.
Mark out CPR.
Copy, started CPR 940.
512. Starting CPR.
Hey, you good?
Copy, car police, CPR escalates.
512. Starting CPR.
940.
CPR. 0936.
I think the round's right here in his chest.
Yeah.
Any word on that AED?
Got an AD?
No,
Responding.
Hey, I'll be out in a second.
Let Eagle know we can do an LZ right by the house. It'll be high glass. I don't know where else it could be.
River Terrace Park.
That's it.
512. The Eagle might be able to do an LSD right by the house.
Good work. By the house, give me a location of the house.
Hey, you got an AED?
AD's in brown.
What, just... What is this, east?
That's south on Kenilworth. 300. He's gonna live?
Hey, you good?
Sorry, do you want me to take over?
Yeah, tap it. Right here, stay right here, stay right here. Go in.
90, you gotta be doing it before being notified.
941.
This is doing on scene notified 940
Probably do.
You're gonna hold me until we come to until they come to mark on
Where are they? We got multiple rounds. Multiple rounds. Got a round right here. 4 shots in the chest. It looks like I just threw it down here. You want this?
He has been
How about that chat? So, what did this? Try to get a story. Did this just happen? Yeah. He was out in the vehicle, unresponsive. Tried to move him, and then he took off.
Okay,
Yeah, he was unresponsive before getting shot. Okay. Hey.
According to investigators, officers from the Metropolitan Police Department and the United States Park Police attempted to detain the driver after confirming the vehicle had been reported stolen. As officers approached, the suspect suddenly accelerated, dragging one officer and trapping another inside the moving vehicle. After repeated commands to stop were ignored, an officer inside the car discharged his firearm. The vehicle continued moving before crashing into a nearby home, causing structural damage but no injuries to residents. Officers immediately rendered aid until emergency medical services arrived. The driver was pronounced dead at the scene, and a firearm was later recovered inside the vehicle. The incident remains under investigation.